Welcome back from the break. The national president of the Young Adult Fellowship YAF, Mr. Frank Yeboah, has called on members to uphold unity, deepen fellowship, and actively participate in the upcoming YAF Week celebration. He announced that the celebration will be launched on 19th April 2026 across all congregations worldwide and will climax with a Thanksgiving service on 26th April 2026. He reflected on the success of last year's program and expressed confidence that this year's edition will be even more impactful. He urged members to fully engage in activities organized while promoting unity and effective ministry. Mr. Yeboah emphasized the theme, celebrating our heritage, building on the foundation already laid, upholding unity for effective ministry, stressing that Christian unity is essential and must be intentionally preserved. He encouraged members to support key church initiatives such as church planting, evangelism, infrastructure projects, and the Agenda 2 Million.
This year's week celebration is under the theme, celebrating our heritage, building on the foundation already laid, upholding unity for effective ministry. We are kickstarting the program with a launch on the 19th of April. I know congregations are gearing up seriously, just even for the launching. Some are planning of cultural activities. I know some are also planning of some traditional display. We thank all of you for your creativity in making this year's celebration a memorable one. After the launching, the program then properly starts from Monday the 20th of April to Sunday 26th of April. And so we want to pray that all members will continue as they do, get involved in the activities.
He concluded by urging members to ensure the celebration brings glory to God and honor to the church and YAF.